dream of a fluffy omelet with delicious filling but end up with fully loaded scrambled eggs? Let's figure out what went wrong. Common mistakes are cooking too hot, using the wrong pan, not enough butter, and not cleaning the pan in between omelets. Start out by melting 4 tablespoons of butter in a skillet on low heat. In a bowl with high sides, mix 3 eggs, about a tablespoon of cream or milk, and season. Using an immersion blender or whisk, beat the eggs until they're frothy on top, then slowly pour the egg mixture into the skillet. Lightly swirl the eggs around the pan to blend some of the butter into the eggs. Allow the eggs to cook for about a minute, and then start to lift the edges and let the raw stuff come in. Continue to lift until it starts swirling around the pan, and keep it moving until all the raw egg has been cooked. Place your cooked filling in a line down the center of the egg disc and top with shredded cheese if desired. Using the side of the pan, slide the egg disc up the side and then flip it over, allowing the pan to help you flip the edge of the disc over the filling. Do the same on the other side. Now if it tears, sauce and cheese will cover small mistakes. Lift the pan and slide the omelet onto a waiting plate. Top with sauce, salsa, or some cheese, and maybe some fresh tomatoes, sauteed mushrooms, cooked bacon, or anything else you want to do. Enjoy, and here's what you'll need. I want to thank you for watching today, and please like and subscribe. Y'all have a blessed day.